control. Now, from what I've heard, it's just put it in track mode, which I just did. And foot hard down. But essentially it goes off because it doesn't want you to be distracted. So essentially track mode is for being on the track, and yeah, you don't want any distractions such as infotainment, nav, anything while you're doing track stuff. So on wet surface, it just went like a rocket ship. This thing is really, really impressive.